Well, we're in Ludington, Michigan today, and I am about to board the SS Badger. You'll have to pardon me, there's only so many ways that I can film the ship from here, security issues. But the SS Badger is a car and passenger ferry that goes to Manitowoc, Wisconsin. It's also the last coal-fired steamship on the Great Lakes, but also in the United States itself. You can see it's belching coal smoke. This would be cool, nice historic ship. There's people getting ready to board. Looks like most of the cars are already here. I had to. Black Beauty is already on the ship, and I couldn't film it going on. So now over here we got the SS Spartan, which is no longer in service. They have retained it here as a part ship for the Badger. Now the SS Badger is also on the National Historic Landmark Register and a bunch of other registers. The ship was built in 1952. It was originally a railroad car ferry. But now it's an auto ferry, auto and passenger. Now these cars sitting over here have pets aboard. So they get loaded just prior to the ship departing. Now I found this really interesting VW buses here. It has a dog aboard. I don't know if you could see him in the... What's up, buddy? He's in the passenger seat. Very interesting bus here. It's a historic bus. That's getting ready to get loaded. Little film here. I know there's your VW bus guys out there that'll go crazy over this. What we got back here? It looks like water. Spare tire. Open engine bay. My kids have 4 paws. Animal lover. And over here, there's a QR code. If you want to scan it, let's see. I don't know, maybe it'll show up on film and you can scan it yourselves if it works out like that. The bus is a little rough around the edges, but hey, cool. Over here we have this interesting looking truck. Seems to be a Chevy of some sort, has customized back end. we'll walk out here and see if I can get a shot. We're boarding a few cars. Departure is in about 20 minutes. Doesn't seem to be too busy today. And that's where the autos and the vehicles go. Looks like the majority of people have already boarded. I should really get my butt aboard, because that would kind of suck. The destination of this ferry is Manitowoc, Wisconsin. So if I miss the ferry, Black Beauty will be in Wisconsin, and I will be in Ludington, Michigan. This is not good. So we'll get over there. I'll see if I can get some shots while we're going across Lake Michigan. Okay, it should be an interesting voyage.